Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. So as you can see on the screen, complete paper solution of English for class 6 RMS set exam which is there on 18 December 2022. So hopefully आप सभी का एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा हुआ होगा स्टूडेंट्स. अब बारी आती है अपने आप को एनालाइज करने की कि वेदर यू पीपल आर एबल टू क्लियर इट और नॉट. ठीक है, सो हम इस वीडियो में ये देखने वाले हैं कि आपके कितने आंसर सही हैं और नहीं, क्या आप इंग्लिश के पेपर को क्वालिफाई करते हैं या नहीं कर पाते हैं. उसके लिए स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा. ज्योमेट्री स्कूल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए जिससे आप सारी इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिफिकेशंस टाइमली रिसीव कर सकें. ऑल्सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग आवर हॉस्टल बैच फ्रॉम 1st of January. सो इफ़ यू आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड तो आप आइए और हॉस्टल विजिट कीजिए, अपनी सीट्स को रिजर्व कीजिए. अगर लगता है कि पेपर इस बार क्लियर नहीं होगा तो आकर अपना सिलेक्शन लीजिए और 100% सिलेक्शन की गारंटी हम देते हैं आपको अगर आप हमारा हॉस्टल ज्वाइन करेंगे. बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स दोनों के लिए है, बहुत नॉमिनल फीस है. स्क्रीन पर जो नंबर दिया हुआ है आप उसको डायल कर सकते हैं और रेस्ट ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. सो हेयर इज द क्वेश्चन पेपर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ प्लीज हैव अ लुक. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन फर्स्ट, complete the following passage by choosing the correct option from those given below. Okay, so you have to complete the passage here. पेपर बहुत बच्चे कह रहे हैं इजी भी था, बहुत कह रहे हैं मैम मॉडरेट एंड डिफिकल्ट. सो अपनी अपनी प्रेपरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग बच्चों ने हमें व्यूज दिए हैं रिगार्डिंग द पेपर. सो लेट अस आंसर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सम पीपल फील दैट डैश बेस्ट वे. द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज the best way to take a vacation to go to dash a cruise, to go on a cruise. There is a lot one can do while dash across, while sailing across the sea. Besides the beautiful sights, the outdoors games dash the variety of dash the variety of. Answer of question number 4 is also. The right answer is also the variety of cuisines that make the cruise a memorable experience. There is always something dash everyone do. There is always something, and the right answer of this question is 4. Okay, for everyone to do. Next question is choose the correct meaning of the idiom. Okay, you have to choose the correct meaning here. Okay, now we'll be doing what? We'll be doing the meanings of the idioms. Clear? So what is the first one? First one is to die in harness. To die in harness means die while still walking between the devil and the deep sea. That means in a confusion. Not able to make both ends meet means earn enough. One is not able to earn enough. An apple of discord. Answer is cause of quarrel. At 6 and 7s. At 6 and 7s the right answer is in disorder. Okay, so this will be the right answer. Moving on to the next slide. Now moving on to question number 11. Choose the word that best expresses the meaning of the given word. Admire. What is the meaning of the word admire? If you admire somebody, the right answer is praise. Okay, you have to give the best meaning. Next, okay, so we have the rankers batch only for 25 rankers. This is for the students who are targeting RMS 2023. Okay, we also have students achievers batch which is for RMS set exam 2023 and 24. So if you are not able to crack it in this session, you can crack it in another, but for that you need to join this achievers batch. Okay, moving on to next, bitterness. What is the right meaning of bitterness? Coming on to next, bitterness. The right answer is acrimony. The right answer of bitterness is acrimony. Blessed means holy. Busy means preoccupied. Delivered means dispatched. So these are the right answers. Clear? Moving on to question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate subject to word agreement. Either of you dash responsible for the program. The right answer is R. Either of you are responsible for the program. 1,000 rupees is spent daily on buying food. Next we have Ramesh dash to school yesterday. Now what will be the right answer? The right answer is ran, because we have to use the second form of the verb. Ramesh ran to school yesterday. Dash this work be done. The right answer is can this work be done. Can this work be done? Okay. Next we have she dash her hair with a hair dryer. She dries, because we want a singular verb here. So among these three the singular verbs are dry. She dries her hair with a hair dryer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग. करेक्ट स्पेलिंग आपके सारे रिपीटेड थे, मैंने आपको सारे कराए थे क्लासेस में, और टेस्ट की फॉर्म में मैंने आपको सारे स्पेलिंग एरर्स कराए थे. द राइट स्पेलिंग इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, इंडिपेंडेंट. ऑप्शन नंबर ए, miscellaneous. Option number A, embarrass. Option number D. And next one is conscientious. The right answer is option number A. This is the right answer. Okay, moving on to question number 26. Choose a correct tense form from the given option. The boy is playing football. Is playing, that means present continuous. Okay, the right answer here is option number D. Next we have the stone age man lived millions of years ago. So what is there? V3 is there, that means it's simple past, nothing but simple past. Okay, she has been waiting since morning. Has been waiting, that means present perfect continuous. This is my right answer. My mother will be mixing the cake. Will be mixing means future continuous. The right answer is future continuous. I have completed my homework. Have completed means this will be your present perfect. This will be your present perfect tense. Okay, moving on to question number 31. We have the passage here. Answer of question number 31 is how is a man different from animal? So the right answer is option number C. Option number C is the right answer. Next we have how does the rabbit give a signal of danger? It bobs up its tail and down as it runs. Next, how does a cobra warn the other animal? It raises its hood to look dangerous. It raises its hood to look dangerous. Next we have question number 34. How does a bee communicate about food to other bees? Answer of question number 35 we have it does a kind of dance in the air. And answer of question number 35 is some animals communicate by making some sounds. Clear? Moving on to question number 36. You have to choose the correct option. Someone has stolen my bicycle. This is same as, what is the right answer here? Now someone has stolen my bicycle. Answer of question number 38 is option number B. This is the right answer. For 37 we have answer A. Next this we have answer B. Someone had thrown it there. Please sit. You are requested to sit. And 40 we have option number B. He asked me where I was going. Moving on to question number 41. You have to choose the which is similar in meaning. Okay, you have to choose the synonyms here. Ancient means very old. I have told you. मैंने आपको टेस्ट में भी कराया है और मैंने आपको रिवीजन की फॉर्म में भी ये कराया है. Tiny means small. Huge means large. Conquest means victory and begins means start. You have to give the synonyms. What do you have to give? Similar. So these are the similar words. Next we have okay. यूपी सैनिक स्टूडेंट्स निश्चय आपके लिए हम बैच लेकर आए हैं. 1 जनवरी से स्टार्ट होने वाला है. अगर सीरियस नहीं हो पढ़ाई के लिए 1 जनवरी से इस बैच को ज्वाइन कीजिए और अपनी स्टडीज़ को कंटिन्यू कीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. एप्रोप्रिएट प्रेपोजिशन यू हैव टू fill in the blanks with the appropriate position. Holi is on, what is the right answer? Holi is on 10th November. Gandhiji lived during the English rule. They finished work before sunset. I will call at your house sometime in the evening. शंकर्स बर्थडे इज ऑन 3rd of April. सो दिस वॉज द सोल्यूशन स्टूडेंट्स. अब आप यहाँ से गैस कर सकते हैं, अब आप यहाँ से एकदम क्लियर हो जाएंगे ये वीडियो देखने के बाद कि आप इंग्लिश का पेपर क्वालिफाई कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं कर पा रहे. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डिटेल्स के लिए आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना पड़ेगा. टिल देन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर रिजल्ट.